Hello guys, District here for a new episode of my friend Basstian's show, Friends of Basstian. In this episode I'm going to show you how to create your own style or sound as producer. So I'm going to give away some tips. Tip 1. Find your interests and inspiration. I would advise to write down on a paper, like mind mapping, 3 of your favorite genres. It could be hip hop, disco or EDM or maybe some different style. And also write down your favorite tracks of all time, where you get your inspiration from. This is a way so you can find some combinations between these inspirations and interests. It's something personal maybe, but I think this can help you to find your favorite style. Tip 2 is do research. Check out in the charts of your country or maybe a different country what music is popular at the moment. And maybe you like one of these tracks and try to remake it and or try to make like the same style maybe, but add your own samples or synths to it, so it will be a bit different. But this is a way to get your sound also popular. And what you also can do is combine 2 different genres like disco or hip hop. Maybe you can find something between there. Tip 3. Don't use too much generic samples, because I see a lot of DJs and producers use a lot of the same samples, a lot from Splice, of course. Of course you can do this, but maybe try to find on Splice some samples which are not used a lot. And that's also a way to find something new, maybe to edit something new. And that's also a way don't copy other stuff. Tip 4. I would say when you make some new sounds or presets, always save them. Save them in your own made map. So when you start a new project, you can always go back to that map and use some samples from that. Always save your presets or samples, claps, kicks, and when you start a new project, you can easily drag them into your project. Tip 5. Test your music at some producers or people around you. I think this will help because when you send the music to them, they will always give feedback or say something like, "Whoa, your style is unique," or "You have something different." Testing can really help to improve your sounds. Tip 6. For beginning producers, I would say focus on producing, and I think it will take a few years to create your own style. So first of all, make remakes of your favorite songs and make different genres, and on a later stadium you will find your own style, I think. And also be patient, because you can't make your own style in half a year. It will take some time. Tip 7. Resample songs or make remixes or bootlegs. In the past I also made a lot of remixes and bootlegs, and I get a lot of creativity and inspiration from my favorite songs when I remix them. And that's a way how I get new sounds or how I use new presets. That's also a way how I improve myself. The way of making remixes helped me out to create my own style, and that's why I focus now a lot on my own tracks, but that is already 8 years later. So I'm not making a lot of remixes right now, because I have to focus on creating my own sounds and tracks. I really hope these tips were helpful for you as producer, but the main rule is that you always have to like and love your music, what you make. That's the most important part. Thanks for watching and good luck.